So how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is fine. Yeah. So I have revisited the analysis that we did in the early morning. This is the outcome now. We are seeing that we were about to be taken out, but our analysis was very strong. As you see, this was yesterday. This was Sunday's analysis. Then this is today's morning analysis. This is what I had said for a quick recap. Yeah. So I had said uh, a break over this black line here, then we shall buy, is what I said. That a break above this and then a retest up, this is what I mean by it. That a break of this black line and then a retest was going to be equal to a buy. We were going to target this fair value gap, FVG. That was going to be our target, but the market had other plans of which we analyzed also. I said a rejection then a break below this again. Then we shall go for sales, of which you are seeing this that I made this position here, this short position. This is why I made it. And now we are seeing that we might drop. This was a fake out right here. This bullish candlestick, you see, this is a fake out. Meaning there were some people that were going to buy from here. Yes. This is not new. There were some people that jumped in that they were buying, expecting the market to come up here, but the market had these other plans of meaning it's taking them out right now. Their stop loss is around here. Let's say you had gone in here after this fake out, you say that you want to target this zone, then your stop loss right here. Yes. To be honest, guys, you see these people are going to be taken out. Let's just watch them being taken out here. As for you, will be happy that you're going for sales. That is what the market is because the overall trend here, we are seeing a bearish trend. That is a downtrend that is happening here. So that is why I always advise guys to first stay patient, look what the market is going to do or what the trade is all about. You see here now, this might pull until this zone. Then we shall wait for a retest here. Yes, we shall wait for a resistance. I mean, here a resistance around this zone, then we shall buy. This is what I mean. If the market is to pull until this side, then this is what we are expecting. Yeah, so we are expecting that. Now let's do some quick analysis on this is a sell, guys. We are on sales on gold. Let's do some quick analysis on Bitcoin. Let's see how it is if we can be able to get some good trades out of it. The overall trend here, we are seeing that the market has been dropping. It has been dropping on gold lately. Lately, it has been dropping. Let's see here the overall trend. See, guys, what it is doing here. So, first of all, you have to mark out your zones. You have to mark out your zones. The recent zones. So, are the ones I'm going to mark out right here. Recent zones. Recent zones. That is it. We are seeing our zone has been broken here, then a retest and a drop. This is what I'm seeing here, a retest of that and then a drop. So what are we anticipating if you are to go to the daily time frame? Let's check on our daily time frame. Daily time frame, what is it saying? Daily time frame, we are seeing a zone here. Daily time frame, we are seeing that zone. So what you will do now is to just wait for this daily time frame for it to either break it. It either breaks and we retest on this, then we sell, or wait for it to do this. Meaning we are still looking for sales in such a trend. You are looking for sales until this market here it makes a retest of the zone, and then that is when we shall buy. But here now you have to continue with the trend, meaning we are about to target this. This is our anticipating point, or that is the zone that we are highly targeting, or the probability of hitting this. So we shall just wait from me for this, then we can. So this is my analysis on Bitcoin, guys. Let's see 15 minutes. Let's see 15 minutes. Some quick analysis on 15 minutes. Yeah, we are seeing that we are still around the zone. We are in the zone here. We are still in the zone. Let me mark it out here. Yes, we are seeing that we are still on this. So what we are waiting for is for it to break at least this line here. Let it break this line, then we shall sell. But without this, don't enter for buys nor enter for sales. But for you to be sure, let's draw this that this is our zone right here. That is going to be our zone. So what are we going to wait for now? What are we going to wait for? What are we going to wait for? This is what we are going to wait for now. Let it hit this black zone and we retest this black zone. Then a retest is going to be equals that we are going to sell. So this is our sure. This is going to be our sure trade. Our sure trade, I mean. So that is it. But those tips are a lot. So let's just reduce on it. Yeah. So this is our analysis on Bitcoin, guys. Let it make a retest above this black, below this black zone here. Then we are going to be sure that the market is going to drop. Yes. So guys, see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel, like it, and comment what you think about it. Peace.